Today, the market for heterogeneous solutions might not be going through puberty, but it is still hitting a growth spurt. Technologies and modern agile practices like cloud computing, DevOps, and microservices are encouraging technical teams to pick the right tool for the right job. Rather than being fanatic about a particular platform or operating system, it's much more efficient and cost-effective to embrace all the tools available to you at your disposal. Ice cream is a great dessert, but eat it for every meal and you'll end up with a toothache. The same goes for technology solutions. Implementing heterogeneous solutions enables us to leverage the best parts of each technology, thus allowing us to build much more harmonious systems and cut out unnecessary trips to the dentist. Technology today is more versatile than a Swiss Army knife with a side job. You can run your database on a Unix server, the web servers can run on Linux hosts, and the knowledge workers in your organization can use Excel on Windows to analyze the data. Users are becoming accustomed to multiple devices on various form factor devices, different platforms, and diverse operating systems. And customers are insisting on support for interoperable, heterogeneous solutions. Today, IT administrators solve problems the same way that Batman solves crimes, with every tool in their tool belt. One such common combination that we find in organizations is that of Windows and macOS. Typically, you will see some file servers or other network servers running Windows operating system, whereas the knowledge workers work with macOS with productivity applications. These users don't want to be married to a single operating system, they want to play the field. They need to access files and data across the network regardless of which platform it resides on. But do you ever wonder what it takes to make these two operating systems work together seamlessly within the same environment? How does a macOS user log into the system using their network credentials? How could Windows and macOS users share files or share printers? How do macOS and Windows make their open relationship work? These are some of the fundamental problems that IT administrators have to struggle with on a daily basis. This course teaches you how to deploy, configure, and manage your heterogeneous environment and implement interoperability mechanisms between your Windows computers and Active Directory domains and macOS. The course will start with basics of interoperability challenges and then move deeper into details about different scenarios like how to use network credentials to log into your macOS systems, how to enforce password policies across multiple systems, or how to share hardware resources like shared drives and printers. If you are serious about operating and managing a mixed infrastructure comprising of Windows and macOS machines, then this course is for you. These IT skills are needed out there in the real world, but there is no easy way to acquire this knowledge. Not until now, that is. If the person who built your house tried to figure it out as they went along, you might end up with a toilet in the middle of your kitchen. You wouldn't build a house that way, so why build a website that way? Rather than relying on trial and error, this course will provide you with all the information that you need to get started with your interoperability requirements. When any startup or technology company is looking to hire IT admins to help them set up these type of complex networks, they are willing to pay big money for IT engineers and consultants to help them manage their network infrastructure. And the demand for these skills is just exploding. Heterogeneous technology solutions are the future of IT. Unfortunately, we can't offer you a time machine, but these tutorials come pretty close. Wouldn't you want to acquire these skills and be a part of this technological revolution? Be highly sought after and take your career to the next level. Bring peace to the age-old battle of Mac versus PC. That's why today we are thrilled to be able to share with you our new training program, Networking Masterclass, Interoperability between Windows and macOS. My name is Arsh, an instructor at tetratutorials.com. We have been in the software industry for over 2 decades. We've been part of many prestigious projects and startups, and over the course of these years, we have gained a good insight into what makes for flexible, scalable, and robust software solutions. We are passionate about sharing all our collective knowledge with you. In this course, Networking Masterclass, Interoperability between Windows and macOS, you will get an in-depth look at how to go about building these bridges between your Windows and macOS systems. Are you ready to get started? Are you ready to put the win in Windows/Mac interoperability? In that case, we are guessing you'll want to know what your investment's going to be. Well, here you will find real, actionable information and education in exchange for your time, willingness to learn, and a fraction of the cost that you will be able to demand as an IT engineer or consultant. There's no shortage of expensive problems out there, and we are here to give you their solutions. We can guarantee that you will get your investment back manyfold in no time. So if you're ready to put the genius in heterogeneous, to make a change and learn how to manage your mixed Windows and macOS infrastructure proactively and efficiently, just click the Add to Cart button below. And of course, when you purchase your copy of Networking Masterclass, Interoperability between Windows and macOS, you actually won't risk a cent. And why? Well, because this course comes with our unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. If you find that this course doesn't meet your needs, all you have to do is send us a message and we'll refund your money immediately. No questions asked, no hoops to jump through, no hard feelings. Look, if you are serious about becoming an expert IT engineer and generating a real income for you and your family, you need to take action and get in the game. Imagine getting that promotion in your current role that your boss has been promising for months or years. Imagine getting chased by recruiters looking for skilled and experienced engineers, which companies are desperately seeking to hire. Employers are hungry for these IT skills, and you could start looking like a big piece of pizza. Imagine getting a massive bump in your income as a result of your newly acquired in-demand skills. You won't only look like a pizza, you'll be able to afford a lot more pizza too. That's what we want for you. And we know it's what you want for yourself, so grab your copy of Networking Masterclass, Interoperability between Windows and macOS now. And let's get you started today. Click the Add to Cart button below this video right now, and we will see you on the other side.